today's video, I'll show you the best ways to earn Microsoft Rewards points quickly and easily. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the search bar, type Microsoft Rewards and press enter. Then, log into your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, open a new tab, and in the search bar, type Chrome Extensions. Click on the link for the Chrome Web Store. Once you're in the web store, search for Automate Microsoft Rewards. When you find it, click on it, and then click Add to Chrome. After the extension is added, go back to your Microsoft Rewards tab. Open the extension settings and set both the mobile searches and desktop searches to 0. Then click Automatic Search and select Run Now. Next, look at the top left corner of your computer screen. You'll see a search option. Click on it. A search window will open automatically. After that, return to the Microsoft Rewards tab, click on Recharge, and another search or page will appear. Finally, go back to your Microsoft Rewards dashboard and check your point total. You'll see that your points are increasing much faster now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from another internet guru.